Pain going slow, life going quick. Year by year, day by day, hours go by as droplets trickle down my face. From my cheekbones before an explosion of emotion leaves me drenched, as the dams of my heart cracked, crumbled, and fell, unleashing waves that leave me falling, drowning, gasping for air, no longer obtaining the strength to live or the will to fight. I let the ripples on my arms as the moonlight moves the sea guide my floating body, hoping to hit golden shores. Like a gargoyle, I lay still, motionless. A heart of stone, I lay on concrete rock. I am alone and forever stuck. Life does not care for peasants like me. Eyelids heavy as I fall deeper and deeper into the realm of mystery. To some cowardly, but to me inevitable attempt to escape the reality I live in today.